Hey, I'm gonna show you how to like edit your iPod Touch videos source. The application is called Splice. So what you wanna do is open it, and you have to turn it vertically. And then what you wanna do is where it says projects, you wanna click add right here. Right there. Oh god. And then you're gonna name it. I'm just gonna put random stuff. Then you put accept. And then you're just gonna ignore this part and press done. Then what you're gonna do is press video edit. Video. And then it's gonna save. Camera video on. I'm gonna press camera. I'm gonna take this part out because it has personal information. So then I'm gonna show you this part. You wanna select videos you want and the photos you want. So once you've done that, you click over here in the top right corner. It says done. You want to tap that. And now it's gonna say something like that, and you click yes. And then it's over here. As you can see, it is loading. So we'll get back to that when it's over, because I've already shown too much private information. Because I have. Okay, so then when you finish, the screen should look something like that. Here will be your videos, and then what you want to do is like, don't leave any of the spaces in the middle, or the video will be messed up. So what you want to do is like move these all the way over there. Then just move this right here. I'm gonna move this to prove. Then right there, put this one in the middle. And then my photos right there, I'm gonna put this right here. So then to change the audio is click right here on the audio settings. Then right there is gonna be a little ad button. So we'll click add, then iPod library or Splice library. If you buy songs from there, you click songs, and you pick the songs you want. And you click done. Then you want to grab this and pull it all the way over here, and make sure it's all the way, because it might look like it. So yeah, as soon as it's all the way, just want to press preview. And you don't have to add the music if you don't want to. And then you can watch right here. But I'm gonna press export. Then high. This is for high definition right there. So the other one, I don't like it. And then it's gonna do this. I would edit this part until the end, but I'm recording with another camera and I don't know how to record with this one. So that's why I'm gonna email myself this video maybe. But if I don't know how, then I'm just gonna do this. I'm sorry this might be taking too long. Just wait a little bit. Just wait till your video is finished. Don't worry, it's almost done. Okay, this is almost done. Okay, it's finished. Just wait till the last little bit. Okay, it's complete. So then you're just gonna go home. Then look for your photos application, and I'm gonna take this out because I have personal photos on this, like I said. And then right there is the video. Just wait for this to clear up. So I'm gonna put it like this vertically now, because it's already recorded it. So okay, this might look confusing for some of you people, so let me just turn on the flash real fast. Okay, so I can't turn it on as soon as I started the video, so I'm just gonna do this fast. I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. She waxed it all off. Mr. Miyagi. And the suicide. Yeah, and that's it.